Hey guys, it's Madeline, and it's the first day of fall. I am sweating as I'm wearing my cute cardigan. If you're new to my channel, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe. So you guys know how it goes. You walk into Target, you're about to get a couple things, and then it happens. You are sucked into the fall stuff, you black out, and you spend over $100. If you have been personally victimized by this problem at Target, you are not alone. Pumpkin and I are about to show you guys what I picked up at Target the other day. I seriously was just going for a couple of things, and yeah. But then I was like, oh my gosh, yay! I can film a Target fall haul. But then today after work, I also went to Bath & Body Works, so I figured it would be fun to show you guys these scents that I liked that I picked up. I will save that for the end. Let's just go ahead and show you guys my Target stuff. Let's just start off with the first thing that caught my eye when I walked into Target. These adorable little pumpkins. Oh God. Are these not just adorable? So these two are cloth and this one is like a hard pumpkin. I love this little mint green one. And then I just got a plain white one. And then they have hard tops, which I just think are so cute. And these two are squishy. It's so cute. These were only $1 each, you guys. I mean, come on. I wish I could have bought every single one, but I ended up settling for these three because I really liked these colors together. So I want to put these on my shelf back there by my bed. Even though I already have little real pumpkins that my mom picked up, at least these can last for all the years to come. So I'm really excited about these, especially with them only being $1 each. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. So this weekend was our weekend to work at the clinic. Luckily, it's just half days, so no biggie. So yesterday is when I went to Target and I just left everything the way it was in the bags, and I was like, I'll just take it out of the bags after I film my haul or as I film it. So I'll be kind of pulling random things out left and right. It's not really organized. Like I have home stuff, I have some beauty stuff, clothing items. I guess it's a little organized, but not really, you know? Then I got this beautiful mug, $3, you guys. Oh my gosh. I love it so much. Look at this. And it's the perfect size. It's not too heavy. Goes with my outfit today. I cannot believe this was only $3. So even though I bought a new candle from Bath & Body Works today, I did buy one at Target too yesterday. This was $5. It's called Autumn Day and it smells so good. It's so fresh. It's not overpowering. It smells like apples, fall leaves, and maybe a little bit of pumpkin too. So it is the perfect smelling candle. And I really love that it's just a simple glass without a label or anything on it. And it has this cute little cork top that you just basically unplug to get to the candle. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is the last thing that I picked up for home decor. Is this cute thankful sign? I love that it is blush pink. That's one of my favorite colors. And I just think it is so adorable and simple. I think I am also gonna put that on my little shelf back there. And it was only $3. Can't beat it. By the way, is it weird to see nail polish on my nails? I don't know if you guys have ever picked up on it or noticed it at all, but I never have my nails painted. The last time I painted my nails, it was when I filmed my first video because I was overthinking it so much. I'm like, well, it's a makeup tutorial. I should have my nails painted because they'll be close to the camera and everything. And I just don't like my nails painted because I'm washing my hands and sanitizing all the time at work and wearing gloves. So they just chip really easily, or I'm not patient enough to wait and let my nails dry. And then they get all smudged and then I get irritated. So I just don't even deal with it. That is the one thing that I really lack in the beauty world, is taking care of my nails. But I treated myself for my birthday last week and I got a manicure and a pedicure. But this is why I do not keep up with my nails getting done, because I leave the salon and 5 minutes later this happened to my thumb. I was like, are you kidding me? You gotta be kidding me. At least it was a relaxing experience overall, but I mean, I still love the color. Then I just got some stuff to throw into the kitchen. I got this Dunkin' Donuts pumpkin spice coffee. I have been loving Dunkin' Donuts, so I'm really hoping that the at-home ground coffee will be delicious. I don't think I'm not gonna like it. I love pumpkin spice. I love coffee. I love Dunkin' Donuts. And I also picked up these pumpkin spice cream-filled wafer roll thingies. I have loved wafer roll. rolled wafers. I like calling them wafer rolls better. That is really hard to say, so I'm just gonna stop saying it. Anyways, I have loved these things since I was younger. I don't know what it is, but I could just like mow through these. So to get them in pumpkin spice, now we're talking. So now I wanna go through clothes. Since we were just talking about pumpkin stuff, let's start off with this shirt. 'Tis the season. I love this. Like, oh yeah, that is my kind of shirt. It has a cute little pumpkin latte on the front. It's just so cute. I could not pass this up. It was calling my name. I wanted it so bad I didn't even check the price when I got it. It was $14.99, and I thought that this flannel would be so cute over this shirt. I'm thinking about wearing this shirt, tucking it into a pair of my PacSun mom jeans, and then just throwing this unbuttoned over it. So cute. I really love having oversized flannels, so I got a size large because I usually don't button them, and if I do, then I just leave like a couple unbuttoned and wear it like sloppy with a bralette. And the last clothing item I got is this really cute sweater. I don't know what the name of this texture is, but it's that really soft. I think you guys can kind of tell. It's just so soft. It's in that light blush pink. I do prefer my sweaters to be a little bit larger and baggier, so I also got this in a size large because I like to wear my sweaters with leggings and also have it a little bit bigger on my shoulders so that I can wear bralette. So this is just cute and simple. I am so excited for the weather to start cooling down. We've been having a very humid, hot, rainy September in Wisconsin. Clearly, with all the fall stuff I'm buying, I'm over summer. Then I got some accessories. I really loved these furry mittens when I passed them. Yes, I am most comfortable with saying mittens. I don't know what it is, but I don't like saying mittens. I feel like it's too harsh. I don't know, but don't pick on me, okay? I do not think that I told you guys the prices of these. This flannel was $19.99. This sweater was a bit more. It was $24.99. But it's such a good, thick, warm material, and it's so cozy, so worth it. Anyways, back to the mittens. It's all tangled up here. So this is what one of them looks like. I just want something really warm, and that kind of made a statement with my black coat. So I think these will do the trick. They're like Eskimo mittens. I love them. And I also love that it has this little pad thing right here because I have a manual car and it is very hard to shift when I just want to keep my closey mittens on. So this makes it much easier to grip. They're just lined with regular cloth inside, like that, but they are really cozy, really warm, and these were $14.99. And then the other accessory that I got, I am so excited that I got this. It was $39.99, and I was staring at it for so long and looking in mirrors holding it like, oh, can I picture me wearing this? And then I was like, yes. Oh, this bag is so stinking cute. I love this so stinking much. Blush pink, kind of like a mauve blush pink on the top here, and then the gold accent and the snake print. It's just such good quality. It feels so durable, and it's also a crossbody bag, which is probably how I would be wearing it. Ooh! I like how there's this little chain part right there. I didn't even notice that when I was looking at it in the store. And then on the inside here, I love that there is a zipper pocket, and then there are two other pockets right there. And I mean, you can fit a lot in this purse. It's very decent sized. And for easy phone access, there's this pocket on the outside, which I love. I could just slip my phone right in there and call it a day. I really love the little gold chains. I love that snake print is so in right now. It is just so beautiful. I was debating on getting this too because I bought a little like wallet purse crossbody bag from TJ Maxx, and that is on its way right now. So I ordered that before I saw this one. And this one is obviously bigger than a wallet size. So I was like, yeah, let's just go for both. I just think this is so beautiful. And they had a lot of cute bags. I mean, everything was cute. I could have been shopping in there all day. Last for accessories, I did actually get these for my car though. They're just these little scrunchies. I've seen in some pictures and videos where girls put these on their shifter, and I think that is the cutest idea ever because it's lightweight, and then it just personalizes your car and makes it look really cute. And also these motivated me to clean out my car and vacuum it. So it was a win-win. Then to wrap up the Target portion of this haul, I had to go through the beauty section. I had to do it. So this is so like tacky and cheesy, and I'm pretty sure these lip balms are for like an 8-year-old girl, but The scents just sound like they're gonna be so good. So it is cranberry apple, pumpkin harvest, and vanilla brown sugar. So I have not opened these up yet. I hope they smell good. I mean, they were only $3, so I was like, you know what? Let's go for it. The truth needs to come out. I am just as obsessed with lip balms as I was when I was a little girl. My best friend Julie and I used to collect them, and we each had a big bucket filled of our lip balms, and we would like trade some. We would count all of them together. And that's what we did with our childhood. So I don't still have a big bucket full of lip balms, but I'm gonna be getting pretty close again if I keep buying lip balms like this. Okay, this is just kind of a random thing, but I was looking for a lavender deodorant because lavender is super relaxing. So why wouldn't I want it in my armpits? So I came across this Yes to Charcoal Detoxifying Lavender Natural Deodorant. I did have to crack this open and start using it before my haul because I'm out of deodorant. And so far, so good. Because I have gross armpits. Like you guys saw in my last tutorial that I had pit stains. So I have sweaty pits. I have stinky pits. They're basically like landfills. I don't know what it is, but I swear, like if I were to go a day without wearing deodorant, no one would want to be around me. So basically, if a deodorant works good for me, especially a natural one, because those tend to not work so good for me. But this says it has 24-hour protection, free of nasties, aluminum, baking soda, and paraben. Do not mind my red blotches, you guys. This cardigan is seriously killing me. But I don't want to take it off because I don't want to like just be in a tank top because I'm like extra pale. I haven't done my self-tanner in a while. And I think the cardigan looks cute with the tops though. So I'm suffering through it. We're just gonna let the blotches be because I cannot cool down right now. So let's just move on. Then for makeup products, I picked up this e.l.f. Acne Fighting Foundation. I hope this is a lot better than the Neutrogena Skin Clearing Foundation that I did a review on. I will link that in the description box down below if you're interested. It didn't work out the best for my skin type, but it doesn't mean it won't work out for you. I hope this works out better for me though. I really like the finish of it. I did try a little bit on the back of my hand in store. This is the e.l.f. Oil Control Primer Mist. Really intrigued me because it does not have alcohol in it. And it contains some really good ingredients like coffee, cucumber, niacinamide, if I'm saying that correctly. I mean, I don't really use primer sprays, so I think I'm gonna try this out as a setting spray just to see how it goes. It says this water-based primer mist preps skin for smooth makeup application, and the lightweight formula helps reduce shine and oil for a more matte look, enriched with purified water, cucumber, vitamins B and E to nourish and refresh skin. So I don't see how this wouldn't work as a setting spray, but we'll give it a try. And then last but not least from Target, I got this ginormous Sonia Kashuk sponge. I am really excited about this because I tried the Real Techniques Face and Body Sponge and I liked it, except then I bought it, I actually loved it. Then I bought it a second time and the sponge wasn't consistent with its consistency. It was actually really hard the second time I bought it and it didn't apply my makeup the same. So that was kind of weird. But this just feels like a block of foam. So I think it's gonna work very well. I'm so excited to try this and it's so big. I love that it's black too and it's so cool because look at that slant. I just think that is so neat. Like that's gonna be awesome for blending out concealer underneath my eyes. So I'm really excited to try this. I think it was only like $5 too, so pretty cool. All right friends, that is it for Target. So let's talk about the few things I picked up at Bath & Body Works after work today. So one thing that I really wanted to pick up was this Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte Body Cream. I always get this kind and not the like clear rectangle looking bottles because those ones contain mineral oil and I believe also petroleum, which are horrible for your skin. Not saying that these have like life-saving ingredients in them, but you want to avoid mineral oil and petroleum if you can. This one is supposed to be extra hydrating too, which is a plus. Oh, it smells so good. There is something about smelling what you buy from Bath & Body Works once you bring it home and you're surrounded by your home smell, not overwhelming smells of candles everywhere. Then you can just like focus on the scent more and enjoy it more and realize how much you actually do love it. I'm so excited. I can't wait to get you on my body. And I had a coupon for a $2.95 hand soap, so I picked out this coconut pumpkin latte one. I think it just smells so good. It's not way too strong because sometimes Bath & Body Works fall scents can be a little much, but this isn't. I think this smells so good. Hopefully my mom will think it smells good too. I'm so excited about this candle. I love that the packaging is matte black. This is the Gather candle. And this smells so good. It's just the perfect fall scent. It says the fragrance is bourbon glazed apples, maple sugar, creamy vanilla with essential oils. Oh my goodness. It just smells like a beautiful fall day. I am so excited about this wallflower scent. I got the caramel apple. This smells so good, which I also hope my mom thinks. It's gonna be smelling like a caramel apple up here. So I've got my hands smelling good, my body smelling good, my room smelling good. Then I needed my car to be smelling good too. So I picked up the cranberry wood scent. This smells so good. I cannot wait to get this in my car, especially with me just vacuuming it and wiping it all down on the inside. Feels like I have a brand new car, so I'm really excited to get this in there, put these scrunchies on my shifter. Hopefully it'll look as cute as I think it will. And then I had a coupon for a free item, so I got this little scrunchie for the shower, loofah, whatever you want to call it, because I needed a new one, so might as well get a free one. And I really like the gold in it, and it's really soft. So that concludes my haul. I hope that you guys really liked this video. I hope that it inspired you to go to Target and spend money like I did. And hopefully you guys will check out these scents that I like at Bath & Body Works. I just wanted to show you guys how my little shelf looks like now that I put everything together. So this little sign and these fake flowers are both from TJ Maxx. I just love how these little pumpkins look. And I really like the thankful underneath my pictures of my boyfriend and I, my friends, my family. I think it fits perfectly right there. And there is the new candle from Bath & Body Works. Got this adorable pumpkin at TJ Maxx for only like $12.99, I think. So yeah, I just love how this looks. If you did like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week and a great weekend when it comes. Bye guys!